Welcome to Beautyistic, where we dive deep into beauty products to bring you honest, expert opinions. Today, we're exploring the Master Massage 28 Argo Portable Massage Table in cream with walnut legs, a versatile and portable spa bed that promises to cater to everything from massage therapy to beauty treatments. Let's see if this product lives up to the hype and if it's worth adding to your setup. The Master Massage 28 Argo Portable Massage Table is designed with flexibility and portability in mind. This versatile table can be used for a variety of services, including massage therapy, tabletop exercises, and even as a portable lash or tattoo bed. It features a sturdy yet lightweight design, with the table's working weight capacity reaching up to 450 pounds. The dimensions come in at 28-inch wide by 84-inch long, offering a spacious and comfortable platform for clients. In terms of usability, this table is crafted for convenience. Weighing only 30 pounds, it's incredibly easy to fold up and transport. Perfect for mobile professionals who need to set up quickly and efficiently, the quick-set adjustable knobs allow for a height range from 23 inches to 33 inches, ensuring that users can customize the table to their specific needs for different types of treatments. The flexibility and height adjustment is a nice touch, especially if you're working in varied settings or need to accommodate different body types. The Argo folding massage table is built with an elegant walnut-stained hardwood frame, which is protected with DuraSeal for long-lasting beauty. The cream-colored PU upholstery is not only aesthetically pleasing, but also functional. It's oil and water resistant, making cleanup a breeze, and the luxurious surface features 1.5 inches of multi-layer small cell foam, offering a soft yet durable cushioning for your clients. Whether you're performing a soothing massage or a precision treatment, the foam offers a high-density surface that ensures comfort throughout the session. Now let's talk about my experience using the Argo Portable Massage Table. Setting up was quick and easy. It's lightweight enough to handle on your own, and the adjustable knobs made customizing the height a simple process. I used it in different settings, from a home office to an outdoor space, and it felt stable and secure in all conditions. The foam is thick and soft, giving clients a truly comfortable experience, which is a key factor for any massage therapist or beauty professional. It's especially impressive that the foam density holds up even with heavier clients, without feeling too firm or too soft. There are a few drawbacks to note, though. While the foam is thick, it may not be firm enough for some users who prefer a more solid base for certain treatments, like deep tissue massage. Also, the table is designed to be portable, but the sturdy construction means it's not as light as some other tables designed strictly for portability. If you're looking for something that can easily be tossed in a car for a quick gig, it might not be as ideal as some of the ultra-lightweight alternatives on the market. On the plus side, the table's build quality is excellent. The walnut legs give it an upscale, professional look that will complement any spa or beauty setting. The DuraSeal protection is a huge win, as it keeps the table looking new and resistant to wear and tear, making it a smart investment for the long haul. When it comes to value for money, this table is priced higher than some basic massage tables, but the added features and versatility justify the cost. The combination of high-quality foam, elegant finish, and the included accessories, such as the adjustable face cradle, standard face cushion, and convenient carrying case, really elevate the experience, making it worth the investment for professionals who need a reliable, comfortable, and portable table. In comparison to other portable massage tables, the Argo holds up well, particularly in terms of comfort and customization options. Some alternatives may be lighter or cheaper, but they might lack the high-end features and build quality that this model offers. For those who prioritize luxury, durability, and versatility, the Master Massage Argo stands out in its category. As for customer service, I haven't had to reach out directly for support, but Master Massage has a reputation for reliable service and support, with good reviews from users who've interacted with their team. For those on a budget, there are more affordable tables that might not have the same luxurious features, but still provide decent comfort and portability. However, if you're willing to invest a bit more, the Argo Portable Massage Table delivers premium performance. To sum it up, The Master Massage 28-inch Argo Portable Massage Table is a high-quality, versatile option that performs well in a variety of settings. It's especially suited for professionals who need a durable, comfortable, and aesthetically pleasing table for their treatments. While it might be a bit heavier than some alternatives, its comfort, build quality, and the luxury finish make it a solid investment. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and if you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.